Projection of plane surfaces. In engineering graphics, for projecting a plane surfaces, the following step-by-step procedure one has to follow. First, analyze the problem statement. That is, identify the given data. That is, what type of shape and the dimension of the plane, whether it is a square, rectangle, circle, pentagon, hexagon. Likewise, we have to analyze the given data. Then you have to see the inclination angle, whether the plane surface inclined to HP or VP, that type of things. Then we have to analyze the positioning details such as a side or a point resting on or inclined to HP or VP. The type of things we have to see. The next, determine the initial position. So first, actually, we have to read the questions carefully, analyze the type of plane surface they are given at their dimensions, where the object is resting and whether it is resting in horizontal plane or vertical plane. Their inclinations, surface inclinations. And then, if it is plane surface is inclined to one plane, we have to follow two steps for getting answers. If the plane surface is inclined to both the plane, we have to do three steps. In third step, only we will be getting answer for when the plane surface is inclined to both the principal planes. So for example, determine the initial position, the assumption for initial position. If the plane is inclined to HP, assume it is initially parallel to HP and perpendicular to VP. Suppose if the plane is inclined to VP, assume it is initially parallel to VP and perpendicular to HP. These assumptions allows for drawing the true shape of the plane in the view where it appears parallel to the respective reference planes. Draw the initial projections. Top view. There is a for a plane assumed parallel to HP means first you have to draw the top view because in the top view you will be getting the true shape of the plane surface. We are assuming that the plane surface object is positioned in first quadrant. If the plane surface is parallel to HP, in the top view is projected on horizontal plane. If it is a first angle projection method, the horizontal plane comes below XY, that is a reference line. So below XY, we have to draw the top view. Then front view. Project the corresponding points from the top view to obtain the front view above the XY line. Second step. Apply the first step is assumption. Why we are assuming? First, I want to know the true shape of the object. That's why I'm assuming. Second step is the actual conditions. Apply the given inclination. The plane surface may be inclined to HP or VP, sometimes inclined to one of the reference plane or sometimes inclined to both the reference plane. Apply the given inclination. Say, for example, if it is inclined to HP, first rotate the front view such that the plane surface makes the given angle with the XY line. Suppose if the plane surface is inclined to VP, rotate the top view such that the plane surface makes the given angle with the XY line. Then project the final views. After applying the inclinations, project the final top view and the front view by projecting points perpendicular between the views, ensuring consistency and accuracy. After actually, this procedure is applicable when plane surface is inclined to one of the plane. If a plane surface is inclined to both the plane, further we have to rotate the second step views for getting the actual final front and top view. After completing all these things, we have to give proper dimensionings, clearly label all points, edges, and the relevant dimensions in both the views for clarity and completeness. Okay. So this procedure one need to follow for approaching projection of plane surface problem.